Yo, what's up, guys? The Party Monster. Today we have a very delayed W finally in hand. Can't wait to show you guys what I picked up. Before we do all that, if you guys haven't already, smash that subscribe button, join the Monster Club, and as always, party on. Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohard, and I'm not gonna lie, I just broke up with my now ex-girlfriend for the last time because I am the Party Monster. Back in the House of Monster, back out with a brand new video, and I am so sorry for the depressing intro, but it is what it is. We are going to get through it. And yes, like I mentioned earlier in the start of the video, your boy finally has a delayed W in his hands. It actually comes courtesy of the GOAT app. I actually just got this probably a couple hours ago. Got them from below retail. I know exactly what's inside this box, and I am so happy to finally have these in my possession. They came out last year, but your boy was unfortunately broke and couldn't afford them. And the crap thing is, like, this is one of those rare times I actually would have probably hit on the Nike sneakers app, but I didn't have the money, so I couldn't pick up the shoe, and the prices were just crazy last year, but now they've kind of reasoned out and everything. Got these for below retail, so super stoked for that and everything, and I'm so excited to check these out firsthand with you guys. But like I said earlier, if you guys haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button, join the Monster Club. You're also going to be doing a ton of new stuff going into 2024, more reviews, more collection videos, and just different things overall and everything. And I'm just so excited to share that with you guys. So anyway, I want you guys to miss out on that. So smash the subscribe button, hit the likes, comment, do all that crazy stuff, and we will have a fun 2024, I promise you. But without further delay, let's get it. Oh, and if any of y'all really feel bad for my ex, please don't. The chick cheated on me, and not only cheated on me, she actually sent me a Snapchat of her cheating on me, and then tagged me in the damn Snapchat. So I really don't have zero F's to give to her right now. I'm not gonna lie, and no, we can't be friends. So when she sends me messages about being friends, I don't respond at all. But that being said, small rant and everything, let's take a toast to the Monster Club. Here's to us getting through 2024, the ups, the downs. And to anyone that probably subscribed to this video because they feel bad that I got cheated on, thank you. I appreciate it. But anyway, and if you guys want to see the video, follow me on Snapchat at PartyMonsterXCX. I might show you the video. I don't know. But anyway, let's get into this box. I got my box. I got my box cutter. Let's go. Okay, so starting things off, we do have the box. Pretty jacked up condition, but again, I don't really care that much about a box. You can't wear a box. Anyway, you guys see it. Jordan 1 box, 9.5. Air Jordan Retro High OGs. They have a color code. White, black, university blue. Your GOAT ultimate expectation checklist thing. But anyway, here we got them. For the Air Jordan 1 universities. Check them out, check them out. Overall, not bad condition. Suede is definitely buttery soft. I like this. This feels good. Look at that. Look at that. Do I have to hit these with the shoe cleaner real quick? Yes. But Henry Miller shoe cleaner, the best shoe cleaner on the planet. Hashtag sponsored. We'll definitely take care of this quickly. This might be my Florida shoe and everything because we're going to Tampa Bay, home of the Rays and everything. This might go with my fit. So check it out. Check it out. Got these for actually $125. I think I paid, no, $135. I think I paid like $150 altogether with tax and whatnot. But anyway, here's the other shoe. And they do come with other laces, but my box didn't get them, so it is what it is. I would probably stick with the black ones anyway because I still have the Astidians and the Turbo Blues or Turbo Greens, whatever they're called, and everything. It look kind of similar to this, but I don't know. I'm fine with the black shoe laces. It is what it is. But overall, I'm super excited about this new pickup. Okay, guys, so that's going to do it for this first look at the Air Jordan 1 Universities. Check them out. Such a clean shoe. I definitely can't wait to do a full in-depth review and put some fits together for you guys and everything because these are fire and definitely shoe I can see rocking a lot next year and everything. I do wear a lot of blue and black, so this will definitely go well with those. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Be sure to hit that like button. Definitely share it with a friend. And more importantly, the part that you guys have been killing it all year on. If you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on Twitter at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. Hell, follow me on Snapchat at PartyMonsterXCX. But other than that, until the next video, remember, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other and party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye.